All right, today is December 19th, 2025. It is quad witching day. Yesterday, I was able to catch a bit of a short down here. I think this one here, from here, took a short down here before price decided to reverse all the way up. I took it off of I believe a 15-minute level, right? So we had this level here, and around there was some just levels that just said, okay, maybe we can go short. And I believe I took this down here and then saw the consolidation and then price reverse. I'm gonna double check because this is way too early. I probably took this one here. That's way too early. So right about there. So maybe this sell, buy into it. I paused and then took it down, and then price just consolidated and went all the way up to this level here. Nice consolidation before the noon, and then price just sold off into where I wanted to exit from this trade. I wanted to exit down here. Then price came back down and then straight up reverse off of that level. Not really giving anything to go long off of, but these shorts really worked well at these highs here. Let's see what other level that was there. And this is a 15. Let's go to 5 real quickly. Zoom out. Nothing on the 5. It is the yesterday prior day high, so that's somewhat important. 5, 15. You can see it. Okay, so it was part of probably this 15-minute level here. I marked it down up here at the top with this. Maybe I could have marked this entire thing. Let's zoom out. Probably a bit too late now to really see what was going on at that end, but yeah, look at that. Bow, bow, bow. Right? So could have marked that there. Let's go to the 30. Okay, so it's definitely 30 in a sense. And the 15. This is a fresh level created by this. A fresh level created by, I can't really see it, this sell right here. Right? Price came in like that and then really just held this area. So we have buy into it, a stop, then we have wicks, and as we follow those wicks, we can see that price really just giving us, hey, maybe I want to sell off. You know what? I think I want to sell off. You know what? I'm going to sell off, and then price sold off right there. So this would have been too much of a risk. This is about what, 12 points. All right, this is twice the size of these two here, but all the way down to here for 46 points. It's a pretty damn good run. 48 point. That's like a 4-to-1 trade. 48 points. That's a good take home. All right. So we'll quickly do the quick math here with it. 12 times 50. So we'll be risking 600, which is way too much. So maybe we do half of it. So we'll do 12 times 25, which is what would be the best option. So 25 micros versus, I think it's like 25 or something like that. We're trying to get, see here, 25 divided by 5. So 5 micros, right? 5 micros versus 1 E mini. So 5 times 25 times 5 gives you that 25 times the 6 give you that 150, right? Because you're risking 12 divided by 6 times 12 will give you that 300, what you're actually risking, divided by 12, which you're putting up, times 48. That's a damn good return. All right. Yeah, 41. So 1200 would have been a nice run. This looked like it just went all the way down. Hopefully I can get the video for it. Let's see if I can get the video for it. I know that when I closed it out, it seemed like it crashed. Yesterday was the 18th. Hopefully it's saved, but I think it crashed on me because I closed it out before it closed out. Oh no, looks like we may have it. Hopefully it plays out well. Let's move this out of the way. So this is where the consolidation was happening. We're gonna fast forward. Right, so we have buy. Price is consolidated. Now we get an absorption happening. right? Now we're getting those sells. We got buying going into it, okay, but not being able to go higher. And then, okay, maybe we go short, put stop loss above, right? But I don't see anything that goes short yet. I don't see anything in here. While that's doing that, I want to quickly look at this here. So we have a sell here. So this 30, boom. All right, I'm interested. And I'm just looking for something to say, yo, get into this bad boy. All right, so I would be interested here from this to this. Let's edit that triangle, that rectangle. So from 11 to 11:30, all right, this is what we're working with. So we have that. Okay, bam, I take this candle right here, rejection. All right, and then we just run it, bam. All right, price probably played around for a bit. We can see that this is from 12:36 to, this is a whole 30 minutes, and then price just said, all right, sell off, right, bam, right, 12:17. Right, so 10 more minutes. So, but I probably would have just bounced right. 52 points. Yeah, that would have been my entry if I could. 52 points. Stop loss about 6 points. That would have been a good entry. Price comes back up. Maybe I get out 38. Maybe I really hold to see if we can get down here. Looking for something that says, say, hold the price. I don't see anything here. Let's go to the, yeah, that would have been a pretty good trade. I have a sell down here, but nothing there. This price is holding, but probably would have been looking for shorts, depending on where VIX was also at that time. So VIX is coming off that low. Look like VIX wants to bounce. Definitely like the fact that NQ is not moving too high up. So yeah, all right. So let's see how that played out. All right, and then, like I said, price did hold for a bit before it decided to sell off. But eventually price just, yeah, it just starts to melt away. Yep, melts. All right, looks like we're going forward. All right, just got to be patient. All right. Oh, yeah, bam. All right. So, I'm trying to zoom into this. So, if I didn't get stopped out here, all right, because we had that buy, but price is not at a level. So, if I didn't get stopped out up here, hopefully not. From here to here, it's a 36 left, 36 point. Would have loved to get that extra 18. So now that 50 times 52, perfect. Risking 300. That's a freaking 8.6 to 1. That would have been a great trade. All right. But anyways, let's get back to reality. The reality of it all is that now we're back here. Okay. So let's see if we can reduplicate just some looking for good levels. All right, I'm going to just delete what's been broken as far as square wise. All right. Yes, I see the resistance and the support levels, but I'm not going to hold my breath to make them work out. So I'm going to quickly try to go through this. Market opens in less than 10 minutes. I can't, this one I'm going to work with up here. I'm going to work with that. Let's see what time frame that's giving me. Let me zoom out on my time frames and my other charts above. And let's see what's here. 30 minutes still. It's about the 5. Yeah, so it's a 30-minute level. The 30-minute level in a sense, maybe a little bit of the 1 hour, but the 30-minute level is what's here, a 30 minutes resistance level. All right, boom. All right, so that level right here, that couldn't be broken, it's still there. And I'm going to put it on the line that it's at. Actually, 30 minutes. And we're just gonna put that one on top of that. All right, that. All right, now this level has been doing a lot right now. That might be it for me. I'm gonna keep this one, but that might be it for me. I might be just playing with these levels here. All right, let's go to settlement price, and then we'll keep it moving. $10 a.m. and Trump speaks again today. So 10 a.m. news. Let's add settlement price. All right. Oh, maybe. Got. Maybe. I don't know. Got a 1 hour here. That's. But looks like no. Let's just run through it quickly. 4 hour. Sorry, that's daily. I direct put the high and low, right? 1 hour. Really bouncing around it a lot for the 4 hour. 1 hour. We're just on this level a lot. Right, so it's kind of hard for me to really trust it. But this 1 hour up here, I like this idea. I like this one up here. There we go. 30 minutes. Same concept. Price is really doing a lot right here. 15. Maybe the 15-minute. Keep an eye on it. And then 5. Alright, so this is still like having a lot going on. So I'm not holding my breath. I did settlement price. I'm going to do high and low. That's the high. And then over here is the low. Alright, okay, let's go into NQ. I'm going to respect this level right here. Alright, this price is hard, very rest is harshly respecting it. I'm going to respect this level right here. This price is respecting it. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Let's add the high and low. Alright, and then let's add settlement price. And then we're just going to go on to the VIX. Might be done because, like I said, today is quad witching. So, just means some weird ass crap happening. Okay. Let's go to VIX. We're just gonna add the high and the low. That's basically what we're gonna do. It's not enough for me to really want to do anything. All right, with that, done. With that, we're done. I don't know what the heck is going on here. All right, so we'll keep an eye on all of them, see what happens, see what comes of them. Other than that, I ain't got nothing to work with. I'm gonna call it here and then just get ready to trade, and the market opens up.